Surprise! It worked!
Hi, baby.
Now we're never going to lunch.
Oh my gosh.
I told you we needed a box of tissues.
Hi. Hi. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi, dear. Look at you. Can hardly see you.
Teamwork.
How long has she been here?
Since yesterday.
Where have you been staying? Dennis's old apartment?
Hi.
Hi.
That was the reason why I couldn't tell you how I was getting over here.
That's